How to fix Cash App won't let me unlock card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if the Cash App is not letting you unlock your card. For this, you want to open the Cash App on your device. Now log into your account by entering all of your credentials. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to scroll down. Now find the option of support and tap on that. Now scroll all the way down and find the contact us option. Here you have the chat option. Once you tap on it, the Cash App support will open. Here, you want to simply type in your issue. Then you will be connected with the customer support agent. Now you want to mention that you're not able to unlock your card. The Cash App support agent will ask you some questions. Make sure you provide all the required details. After that, the customer support will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.